So now we take the second example, question number 61. A beam of light converges at a point P. Now a lens is placed in the path of the convergent beam 12 cm from P. At what point does the beam converge if the lens is a convex lens of focal length 20 cm? So here, according to the question, so here we take the path of the convergent beam. So if you observe in the diagram, here these are the convergent rays of light. So they converge at the point P. Okay. So now in the path of the convergent beam, we are placing one convex lens. We place one convex lens. So since we place one convex lens, so that particular lens is at a distance 12 cm from the point P. So these are the rays. So if this particular lens is absent, then it will converge at the point P. So it means what? These convergent rays converges at the point P. So then P is acting as virtual object for this particular lens, because it is not possible for these rays of light that they will converge in this particular side. They will converge at the point P only. So P is acting as virtual object for the lens, for the convex lens. Since P is acting as virtual object for the convex lens, so again this is a converging lens, so it means that the rays of light now converges again. So if they converges again, so they converge at a different point. If they converge at a different point, then that particular point is now acting as the image for the point object, so for the object P. So it is a virtual object. So now U is positive. How much? Plus 12 cm. Focal length of a convex lens 20 cm, positive. So by applying the lens equation, if we apply these particular values, then we have V as 60 by 8 equals to 15 by 2 equals to 7.5 cm. Since V is positive, so it means that nature of the image is real. Okay, and this particular distance is 7.5 cm. So due to the presence of the convex lens, the rays of light converges at a distance 7.5 cm from the lens instead of 12 cm.